learners. Hi. Okay. So today I have come up with a very amazing activity. The name of this activity is Be Nature. It means today you will come up with any topic which is related to natural resources, and you will come up with your team here and will present it in a better way. Okay? So are you ready for this?
Yes!
Okay, so let's start with okay, let me call the team of Anmol.
Hi Anmol. Hi. Oh, today I saw an animal got hurt by the bike. Do you know how to treat animal?
I don't know.
You don't know. You know how to treat animals?
I don't know.
So can you tell me about animals?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, can you tell me? Guys, we all know the animals, they are the natural resources of our life. We all know that animal helps us in any way. Will they help us in every way? Like we can see that there are lots of animals who give us food as well. We can take an example of cow. She gave us dairy milk, right? And we know that that fig, these animals also give us milk. These animals also give us food, right? And now now from my team, Akarshit will come and tell you. Okay, so like Yogita tell you about animals. So I will tell you about types of animals. Types of animals. Herbivores. Herbivores are that type of animal that only like to eat herby products, and they like grass. And omnivores are the animals that eat both plants and meat also. And carnivorous. Do you know about carnivorous? They are the animals that only eat flesh. And scavengers are the animals that only eat the death and decaying plants. So now from my team, Anmol will come.
So as we all know, in this year 2024, we are not seeing that much animal that we are seeing in older times, like in 1945, in 1966, and etc. Why we are not able to see the animals? Because animals are now that dinosaurs extinct from our world. So like that in 2047, I think that animal will be extinct from our earth. And the uses of the animals are, as take an example of chicken. It gives us meat, and cow, which gives dairy products like milk, and etc. And from my tip, Deepak will tell.
Okay, guys, if you talk about a problem, so you know more than us, animal faces that. If you talk about that animal dog, you know animal don't have a roof on their head as well. They don't have enough food for eating. They don't have enough resources with their want, but still they are living a life. But if you talk about human beings, what they are doing, they have a limited resource, they have everything, but still they hate their life. So we know some things that about animal are several of type. They're facing several of problem. Like if you talk about goat, if you talk about dogs, and several of things. And you know the street dog whom are behind of your house, and many more. Have you think about them? What are they facing the problem? So these are problem whom the animals are facing. So thank you guys for listening our team and us.
And the topic will be coal. So let's enjoy the session. My partner, my team leader, Vansh will tell some facts about coal.
A coal we get from mine shaft that is present in so much underground, and the coal is present in mantle, and the coal is when the coal is so much fragmented, it will become a diamond. That is some fact about the coal. And the coal is made mainly of two types: a charcoal and a coal. A coal that we get from a inner mine shaft, and that is also help And the second coal, that is charcoal, that we get after a burnt wood. That after we burn wood, there is a one black substance, that is charcoal. And thank you. And next, my partner Sky will continue it.
So guys, I'm going to tell you about how the coal is harmful for us. As you know guys that in the previous time there are too much of trains which runs from the help of coal. So guys, there is a one tunnel. So in that tunnel the pollution came. Guys, do you know that and the pollution is too much harmful for us. And with these trains and many things, the pollution become on utmost level in the previous time. So guys, I think these are the harmful for coal, and I hope you all enjoyed my our presentation, and thank you guys.
For more updates, subscribe.
Bye, Family.